Introducing the stunning 2021 Volkswagen Id.3 PRO S 150 Tour 5 in sleek grey. This electric-powered estate boasts 204 horsepower, automatic transmission, and a host of luxurious comfort and accessories features such as air conditioning, satellite navigation, and ambient lighting. Safety is paramount with ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking. The interior is adorned with luxury trim, and the vehicle comes equipped with Tyre repair kit and tachometer. This vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us today or visit laharts.ie for more information.